In this video, we are going to see an amazing quickest way of removing all the formats from your Excel sheet. So in the previous example, I have inserted some of the tables using format painters. And now I quickly want to remove this with a single click or a quickest way. So what we'll do is just select all the data and just watch this, what I have done. So how much time did it take? 1 second or less than 1 second? The question is, how did I do it? You just have to select whatever you want to remove as a format. And like I said, the golden short key is the way to success. I already remember all the combinations. The golden key is alternate, and then it will guide you through it. Since we already know that all the clear and format related functions are in the home tab, so after alt comes the H function or H short key. Clear is E and clear formats is F. So what I have done is I just selected the data or formats that I want to remove and alternate H, E, F. So that's the power if you remember the short keys. Similarly, here in the complete sheet, I just press Ctrl A to select the whole format, alternate H, E, F. And that's how quickly you can remove all the formats back to the original one. So just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.